do it. So after we would do some jumping jacks, then we're gonna do just a quick, great form jumping jacks, by the way, might I add. So now we're gonna do just some stretches right here, pulling the knees up. And this is gonna stretch our glutes very well. All right. So then after we get a good stretch down here in our glutes, we're going to talk about the right form. So let's get right here. It looks like Miss Karishma is in good form. She's got her feet shoulder width apart and her toes are slightly pointed out. Same thing with Mr. Arun. So we're going to come making sure that our stance is proper lined up, and then we're just going to make sure that when we sit down, we're coming back. As you can see, we're on a slight incline, and this is good because the squat, we want our center of gravity to be in our heel. So we're gonna, let's, do one coming down. We're gonna come down on the center of gravity on our heels, and we're gonna squat down. And so what we're gonna focus in on is keeping our shoulders back, core tight, and keeping that center of gravity in our heels. We're gonna come up. So I'm gonna take a second here, and Mr. Arun, if you can do an example of an air squat, just point out a few things. So if you wanna go ahead and come on down. So we see how his back is nice and straight, his core is tight, and you can see how he's back on his heels right here. So he's got great form. His knees are actually back. If his knee is too far forward or if it's in, then that's what's going to cause some knee issues over time. So this is a great form right here. And for Miss Karishma, for some people who we want to teach the right form to, we have a tire here. And Miss Karishma has a great squat, but I want to show this as an example. So if you want to just, it's almost like we're sitting down in a chair. And so as you can see, again, her back is straight, shoulders are pulled back, and again, core is tight. And you can see also what sitting in the chair allows us to do is to, critique on the knee positioning and the positioning with the feet. But again, everything looks great here. So it's just like you're sitting in a chair, you're sitting right up. And that is how to do the proper air squat.
Right
Thank
on,
you.
awesome.